In a planetary alignment, also known as a planetary parade, several planets gather close together on one side of the Sun at the same time. All planets revolve around the Sun in the same orbit, called the ecliptic on Earth, and all planets move along this plane, eventually catching up with each other over time. When the planets meet, they appear to be aligned in their orbits around the Earth, but the line is not perfectly straight. August 2024 is a great month for stargazers, with several major astronomical phenomena that are easy to observe without special equipment. From the fascinating Perseid meteor shower to the breathtaking close encounters of Mars and Jupiter to large alignment, there is something for everyone to enjoy. Did you miss the planetary parade on June 3rd? When 6 planets line up in the sky, a second chance is coming. In August, stargazers will once again have the chance to see 6 planets in the sky at the same time. The last planetary constellation of the year will occur at the end of August. In the early morning hours of August 23rd to 30th, 6 planets will line up in the sky, covering about 170 of the sky: Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune and Saturn. Mercury, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn will be visible to the naked eye, but Mercury will be closer to the horizon and harder to see. You'll need a telescope or binoculars to see Neptune and Uranus. The planets are spread out over a large area, so you may have to turn your head quite a bit to see them all. Saturn will appear first, followed by Neptune. As the night progresses, Uranus, Jupiter, and Mars will appear above the horizon. Finally, Mercury will appear above the horizon. Will there be a planet parade in my area? Almost certainly. Unlike last time, this one will be visible in most parts of the US. Using the Stellarium website, we tested locations in California, Texas, Ohio, Florida, Washington, and New York and found that all 6 planets will be visible for at least a few minutes in each location we tested. Mercury will appear just a few minutes before sunrise, so Florida and California residents will have the smallest chance of observing it of all we saw. This is the third such event in 2024. The parade took place during a total solar eclipse, but some planets may have been hard to see. The second took place during the week of June 3rd, when people could actually see up to 4 planets with the naked eye. Uranus and Neptune were also visible just before dawn, but that required the help of binoculars or a telescope. It is common for several planets to be aligned, but it is rare for 5 or more to be aligned. There will still be a few chances to see this phenomenon in 2024, but after August, you won't be able to see any constellations with more than 5 planets until 2025. Don't miss the last planetary alignment of the year.